Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Belt-driven blower fans are quite common in older furnaces. Since these belts rely on friction, they will wear down over time with normal use. If your belt is noisy, cracked, or in rough shape, then it's best to get a new one. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the V-belt, how to find a match, and how to adjust the belt tension. To begin, you might need a socket wrench or nut driver, an adjustable wrench, and a soft measuring tape. Always be safe. Disconnect the power and turn off the gas to your furnace. Now remove the blower cover. You should see the motor mounted in front of a blower assembly. In some cases, you might need to remove the blower to have enough room to work. Disconnect the motor wires. Remove the mounting screws. Then slide the assembly out. To access the belt, you'll have to reduce the tension. Turn the adjustment screw until the belt becomes loose. Now, remove the belt. To find a replacement belt, simply match the code on the side. If you don't see a code, then you'll have to do some measurements. First, measure the top width. Next, measure the depth. Now use a soft tape measure to measure the outside circumference of the belt. Alternatively, you can use a piece of string to wrap around the belt, then measure the string. Your furnace will likely use a fractional horsepower or FHP belt. These are identified by the prefixes 3L, 4L, and 5L. Now for the length. These belts are measured by the outside circumference. For example, a 4L 360 belt is a half-inch wide, light-duty belt with an outside circumference of 36 inches. Some belts will use the classical designation and are identified by the prefixes A, B, and C. Classical belts are measured by the inside circumference. This means an A34 belt is a half-inch wide and will have an outside circumference of 36 inches. Place the new belt on the pulley wheels. Turn the adjustment screw until the belt tightens. You want the belt to be tight enough that it won't slip, but not too tight, since this will reduce the life of the belt. To check the tension, push down on the belt. Adjust the screw until there is 1/2 to 3/4 inch deflection. Now check the alignment with a straight edge and adjust the pulley if necessary. Next, slide the blower assembly back into place. Then, tighten the mounting screws. Next, reconnect the motor. Now, replace the cover. Reconnect the power and turn on the gas. Finally, test your furnace to see that it's running normally. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.